My channel, all things Yazz. I hope you guys are safe and well. In today's video I have an Under the Stories haul for you. Now again, this was meant to be up yesterday, but due to unforeseen circumstances I didn't manage to film it. I normally like to film early in the morning, the day that I put up the videos, and sometimes that can really bite you on the bum. I should have filmed it on Wednesday, so I do apologise about that. Another thing that I want to mention, the lighting might not be as good as in my previous videos because this half of the house has decided all of the electrical sockets are not working today. So I've got one over there far in the distance, one lighting thing. But yeah, that's annoying. But nevertheless, we are going to push through and film this Under the Stories haul. Another point to mention is that I'm not going to be doing it the same as last week's haul because I didn't like the audio quality. So I'm going to do it how I normally do it, sat down holding the pieces up, until at such point I get a microphone, which would be rather helpful, but they can be quite expensive. So that was a rather long intro. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Yazz, obviously, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I really like it if you join this family. Give this video a massive thumbs up, let it reach more people. Without further ado, let's jump straight into this Under the Stories haul. Okay guys, so the first item up on this Under the Stories haul is actually what I'm wearing. I do this quite often in my hauls, I just can't wait to put the items on, and it is this wrap cardigan in black. Now this comes in a lot of different colours, which I love. I went for the black just so it's a basic, it can work with pretty much everything in my wardrobe, and I got a small, and just for reference I'm a UK size 8 to 10 top half and UK size 10 to 12 bottom half. I'm bottom heavy. But I love it. It's got a slight balloon sleeve to it. I styled it up with some waxed jeans from Massimo Dutti and my Gucci trainers. The waxed jeans kind of give off a leather look, which I really love at the moment. It's very much a trend of this season, and I just loved it with this cardigan. It's got a really nice cross detail here and then a tie at the side. And yeah, I also paired it with a midi skirt. I wanted to see how that would look, and then I popped on my Gucci sandals just to dress it up a little bit. But I am a cold person, so I definitely wear this on a date, and I really thought it went really well. I thought it looked really nice. I added a bit of colour to it in the second outfit with the green kind of satin midi skirt, but I really love this. It's so comfortable and warm. You can wear it in a lot of different ways, so I thought this was a perfect basic to pick up. Really nice and comfy and quite stretchy as well. But yeah, I love it. I think I got the right size of the small. Any bigger and I wouldn't be able to tie it nicely at the side. It would probably go further back. But yeah, lovely first item. Next up we have this alpaca cable knit with a lovely ruffled detail at the bottom of the sleeve, which I think looks beautiful on. And I love this colour, it's gorgeous. Now unfortunately I am having to send this back because sometimes alpaca and wool can be hit and miss with my skin, and for me it was slightly itchy. I really wanted it to not be itchy because I just love this. Again, I paired it with the waxed jeans from this outfit as I thought they went really well, and then my Gucci trainers, just a nice dress down look. But I really love it, and it's not just one colour of green. You've got some light greens going through there and a bit of white, so it's really nice cable knit, nice crew neck, doesn't go too high for me, but I really loved the details on the sleeve. It's slightly balloony, which again is another trend of the season, the balloon sleeve, so I quite liked that, but it wasn't too oversized for me. Again, I think I went for a small. Yeah, I went for a small in this. Such a shame that it itches my skin though, because it's just a gorgeous jumper. Oh, sad about that one. Onto the last jumper of this haul, and it is this Alpaca blend scallop jumper. I love this. This colour is absolutely to die for. Again, it was 50-50 whether this was going to irritate my skin, and unfortunately it does, which is a real pain because I loved the way this looked when I put it on. I paired it with some blue waxed jeans, they're Massimo and my trainers from before, and I really love this look. It's got a nice thick crew neck. I don't know why, I really like the thickness of it. These scallop details are so pretty, and because of these details here, it almost gives off the effect of a shoulder pad, which again is really in this season, and I just really love it. Again, similar to the other two jumpers, I went for a size small and this fits me perfectly. Just such a shame that I won't be able to wear it. Why can't my skin just be normal and not sensitive? Okay, so the next two items I wore as an outfit. That's how I envisioned them when I saw them on the website. So I'm going to first talk about the skirt, and this is a houndstooth wool blend mini skirt. And I'm so obsessed with it. I love it to pieces. It's got a nice little zip detail at the back and it just fits perfectly. I got it in a size 36 and I wouldn't want it any smaller or any bigger, maybe a tiny little bigger, but I can squeeze my bum into it. And it's just so lovely. It's lined with, I believe, silk, really nice lining to it. And I just envisioned wearing this in so many different styles. So with a nice black turtleneck or a brown turtleneck. It's got white, black, and I assume a browny pink in it. So it's quite versatile. You could wear this with cream, which would look lovely. You could wear this with a brown kind of sweater, or even go for a pop of colour, like some pink in there as well, which would look gorgeous. But I just love it so much. I paired this with my Gucci sandals and the top that you're about to see, but I could also see myself wearing my over-the-knee black boots with this, would look great, or my shorter Jimmy Choo boots, which would look stunning with this skirt. Oh, I love it so much. It's very much a preppy outfit once you see the cardigan I got. So the top that I paired with that skirt is this polar collar button-up cardigan sweater, I'm not sure, in this gorgeous kind of, I think it's cream, it's definitely a cream colour, but what drew me towards this was the button detail, which you will see in the close-up. It's gorgeous. Now, I wouldn't wear it all the way buttoned to the top like the model does. I quite like it slightly open. It's just a really nice top, and it goes so well with that skirt. It's slightly cropped, so it comes, I think, just above or maybe just on my belly button, but I quite like that. So I definitely wear this with a pair of high-waisted jeans as well. It's really nice and stretchy. I'm pretty sure this is 84% viscose as well, so that's quite nice. It's lovely details. I really like it. I think I got this in a size 36, which I believe is a 10. It just says small on here, so I got it in a size small. But everything, if you go on the website and you do see it says 36, 38, all of these I'm pretty sure are 36 because that is my size with them, just in case you go on and you don't see small, medium or large. But yeah, I just thought it looked really great with this outfit. The one thing that I thought I was missing was like a little headband, because it's a really preppy look and I really wanted to try that out, and I actually really like it, so definitely keeping that. The next one I need your advice on because I am not sure. Will doesn't like this type of item. I've purchased a few in the past and actually sent them back because Will doesn't like them, and that makes me unsure. So comment down below what you think of this dress. Okay guys, here is the dress. She is, if I can grab her, a relaxed A-line balloon sleeve dress. Now, I know holding it up doesn't really do anything for the dress because you can't see, so just check out the clip away in a minute. But it's got a really nice ruffled detail at the top of the neckline with this tie detail as well, which I probably wouldn't tie, I would just maybe leave it, but I do really like the added detail of that. On the sleeves you can see the detail of the dress, which I believe are flowers, but it's really pretty. And then we've got this gathering detail, well, ruffle detail at the bottom of the sleeve, which just creates a bit more of a balloon sleeve effect. There's not much else to it really. It's really nice. It's made completely of viscose. I really like it, and the way that I styled it up was with some leather over the knee boots, which I just thought looked amazing. But I'm unsure. I'm unsure because Will was unsure as well. I got it in a size 36, size small. It does say small, doesn't it? Again. Oh no, it says that size 36 in here. And this also comes in a really gorgeous blue colour. I mean, you could add a belt to this if you wanted to, what's the word, if you wanted to show off your waist. There's another word that I was looking for there, but if you wanted to show off your waist. But I quite like it just on its own, really showing off the dress, and just style it up with some boots and jewellery. I think it would look gorgeous. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below, is this a keeper or are we sending her back? And that's it for this And Other Stories haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below which is your favourite. Don't forget to help me out with your advice on that dress. And I hope you have a wonderful Friday afternoon. And I will see you very soon. Bye for now.